There are a lot of people out there on YouTube talking about credit card funding, but never really dropping the real jewels. You know me, I've been on YouTube for quite some time and I put out a lot of valuable information. But here's the deal. I've been on a hiatus from YouTube for about 2 years grinding in the real world, doing real estate investing, and I really didn't have the time to put out any more content. So here's what I'm doing. I'm gonna piss a lot of people off with this because I put together a funding doc that reveals all the secrets of how to get all the high dollar credit cards, and I'm not holding anything back. I've already been contacted by many funders out there asking, man, why would you just give these secrets away? Well, that's an easy question to answer because I want to help as many people as I can. So, to get your copy of the credit card funding doc that reveals all the secrets, check the description, and I will catch you guys in the next video.